Hey, this is Brian from DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Today we're doing a short video for mobile coating. Our DuraSlic Mobile is one of our easiest coatings to use. It's formulated with mobile detailers in mind, so it can be used in the elements. It could be in 35-degree weather up to 105-degree weather, doesn't matter. It uses super slick technology, it's hydrophobic, it'll last up to 2 years, super easy to use. Whether you're in direct sunlight or indoors, doesn't matter, mobile will work. So the car we're using has already been washed, decon, and clayed to remove all the contaminants off the surface of the paint. The paint has also been corrected, so now we can go ahead and start laying down the coating. Before you start, you need to do a couple of important steps. First of all, you need to use our glass and panel prep to clean the paint of any leftover polish or silicones. In my opinion, this is the most important step before you lay down any coating to ensure that you're applying the coating directly to the paint with no impurity. So be very diligent in this step. All right, so we're gonna use DuraSlic panel prep to clear off this panel. We're gonna apply it to the towel first. I'm gonna generously apply it directly to the panel. Okay, you can see it start finding stuff that it needs to get through. Okay, we're gonna take our prime towel, gently wipe it down. Okay, we're gonna give it a chance to start evaporating away. You can see right here, it's starting to open up. Okay, give it about 30 seconds. I'm gonna gently just clear off the panel. Okay, now you can see we have nothing between the coating and the paint. So now let's go ahead and take out the coating and shake it well. Remove the applicator provided in the kit and you're ready to start your installation. For video purposes, we'll use just the hood of the car to show the installation. You can translate this installation technique to the rest of the vehicle. Take your coating and apply it to the applicator. Make sure you have no dry areas on the applicator to ensure an even full coverage coat. The test spot will help you measure your flash or open time. It will depend on the environment that you're installing it in. A test spot should be a 2 by 2 foot area. Using the prime side of the applicator, apply the coating in a crosshatch pattern in your test spot. DuraSlic Mobile will show an oily effect when it flashes. Watch the coating until you see it looks almost like an oil slick. As soon as we start to see the oily look, you can start the timer and give Mobile from 3.5 to 4.5 minutes to set up before it's ready to level off. This coating will use the 2-towel system. When Mobile is leveled off, the coating will be super slick to the touch and the gloss is off the charts, not to mention it being super hydrophobic. Now you've determined your flash time, so let's go ahead and apply the coating to the rest of the vehicle. Don't take on more than 1 or 2 panels at a time. And when laying down Mobile on multiple panels at a time, I recommend waiting at least 1 minute between the laydown from the first panel to the second panel, just in case your flash time changes, you're not too far behind. Work around the vehicle from the driver's side to the passenger side until the vehicle is completely coated. This demo will show how you can easily add super slick technology to an existing coating. Take your application towel and grab your bottle of FlowX. Prime the towel with the product. It should take about 4 to 5 sprays to saturate the towel. To prepare, use a pH neutral soap and check for any damages to the coating. If everything is good with the coating, you can go ahead and apply the FlowX Top Coat to the coating. Using a primed application towel, spread the FlowX across the panel. Make sure that you completely cover the entire panel so FlowX can evenly adhere to the coating. Once it has a chance to flash in around 35 seconds to a minute, use your dry polishing towel to level off FlowX and move on to the rest of the vehicle. Work 1 panel at a time. FlowX not only adds super slick technology to any coating, this will help sheet water and stretch out the time between washes. So why DuraSlic? Well, we've been doing coatings for over 20 years now in the electronics industry, and we've taken that technology and moved into the automotive industry. So we listen to our customers, and their feedback is super important in developing coatings or improving our existing coatings. We can make these changes on the fly because we actually make the coating, we employ the chemist, and we have it right here in America, so we can do it quickly. With DuraSlic, you're getting more than just a coating. We have really good customer service. In our test process, we're top in the industry. We're super hydrophobic. We have oleophobicity, which most coatings don't supply. Most of all, we're made here in America. Once again, I'm Brian from DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.